Hello, Snowest. This is Christopher, your friendly forum admin. Today is Friday, August 16th, and this is not a normal vlog entry. This is a test entry. So if you're watching this and you're looking for normal commentary, you're not going to get it. This is going to be my first attempt to integrate some of all the new technology that I bought. So right now, I'm shooting this on the rear-facing low-resolution camera on my Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. And as I'd mentioned, I recently picked up a new DJI wireless mic and a new DJI drone. And I'm going to try to integrate those today, but I need to have some sample material to work on. So this is my first piece of sample. It is windy outside, and with the rear-facing microphone, which is the low-resolution, that's the high-resolution microphone and the low-resolution camera, we should be hearing wind noise. I'm going to flip it around to the forward-facing camera and the low-resolution microphone, which should change. It should make me more muted, but the video should look better. And then after that, I'm going to hook up the wireless microphone, which I hope will be completely clear for both forward and rear-facing video. And then lastly, we're going to hook that up to the drone, which has no microphone capabilities, and see if the drone is able to maintain a nice constant stream of audio coming from the wireless mic. So again, I'm on the rear-facing camera right now with the high-resolution microphone, and now we'll switch. Now I'm on the forward-facing camera, which is the high-resolution camera, but with the low-resolution microphone. If this is the way I think it is, my voice should be fairly muted, but the camera itself should look pretty good. I'm walking around in my backyard. Welcome to my home in Rigby, Idaho. I have a very large backyard. It is set up just because I have 4 huskies, one of which is right there. That's Tasha. She's my rescue from Lake Havasu City, Arizona. And I've got 3 more of them running around. Oh, there's one. There's Ember. She's our Alabama husky. And the other 2 may be in the house sleeping. Okay, now I've switched over to the rear-facing low-resolution camera, but we're on the DJI mic. The mic, let's see, you can see it right down there. I do not have the dead cat head on, so it should be picking up a fair amount of wind, but in just a second I'll put the dead cat on and we'll see if that cuts down the wind noise. Okay, now I've changed the mic out and I put the dead cat head on it, and I'm hoping that the sound is completely smooth and clean now. We'll know in just a minute. The mic indicator, the volume indicator, shows that it looks really good. I hope that there is no sound of wind. The wind is still blowing reasonably strong. Certainly enough that... And the camera just died on me. Well, that was exciting. That's what happens when you try to be all high speed, and I got a custom aftermarket magnetic mount on the back of my iPhone to attach to this 3-axis stabilized gimbal. And when I attached the DJI mic transmitter, it overweighed the phone and the phone fell right off the gimbal. So I had to go back in and swap it out and put the original DJI gimbal mount back on, which is all fine and well, it works, but it's a pain in the butt in the snow because it's another device that I have to attach to the phone before I can do anything. But in the meantime, live and learn, baby. We should hopefully have good, clean sound. Again, the wind is blowing. If I pan this way, we can look at the trees. So there's plenty of wind going. Hopefully there's no noise. This is our drone that we're going to be given here. It's a DJI Air 3 with an RC2 controller. And we'll put that into the air in just a minute. I've got the transmitter attached to the receiver there, and that's the key that was not working last time. The transmitter has a detachable connector that has a bunch of different interfaces, and I did not get it connected well enough. So we'll turn that on in just a second and we'll give this another shot. Checking everything around. Don't see anything anywhere. So we're going to try one more time. Let's take this thing up to a bigger radius. I'm going to go to a radius of 240 feet. Let's see how we do now. Go high and go far, baby. So radius is 160 feet, height is 60, height is 80, height is 90, height is 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, we're 350 feet away, 160 feet, 380 feet away, and hopefully she'll come back home now. Come on, baby, swing back. There's a lot of wind up there. I'm not sure what my max limit is on how well she'll do, but there's got to be 20-mile-an-hour winds right now, I would bet. Coming right back at me. Atta girl.